How to make rose bubble bath. Rose oil is a relaxing addition to the bath. Turning it into a bubble bath makes it a luxurious and enjoyable experience. Ingredients: 1 bar Castile soap, finely grated. 3 ounce glycerin. 1 quart water. 5 drops essential rose oil. Steps: 1. Place all of the ingredients into a mixing bowl. 2. Blend together well. 3. Pour the blended mixture into a bottle or jar. 4. Store in the bathroom. Before use, shake the container to mix the ingredients together. 5. Use. Pour a capful into the bath while the water is still filling up the bath. Enjoy a luxurious bath. Tips: Rose oil is costly, but a little goes a long way. If you use a decorative bottle or jar, this can make a lovely gift with the addition of a label and ribbon. Some rose oils are cheaper than others, so hunt around for a good price. Things: mixing bowl, glass or plastic, not metal. Mixing spoon, wooden. Glass bottle or jar.